Okay, everyone. So I want to spend a couple of minutes talking about organizing your code so it's a bit easier to read and go through, and it'll also make it easier for you to be able to find components of your documents. So the first thing I'm going to introduce to you, and you may have already read about this, but comments for the HTML code. So a comment is just used to be able to make some kind of a notation within the HTML document that will not appear on the browser screen. And comments are comments are a little bit different than regular opening and closing tags in that they do have an opening, but the opening is a left caret and then exclamation mark and then two dashes. So that's kind of like the opening portion of the comment, and then you have your text, whatever comment that you want to make. And in this case right here, I'm going to just say this wrapper contains all elements of the page. And then when I want to end that, I just do two dashes and then a right caret, and then that I have my comment, and it will not appear in my HTML. But what's nice is that I can continue to comment things, and I'm not going to see it on my actual browser page, but I will be able to quickly make reference, particularly when I'm using that div tag, because I have all of these div tags, and sometimes they're nested and sometimes they're not, but it sure is nice to be able to know when they open and close. So I can put a comment on this end div tag to tell myself later this is the closing left column div, and then that way I can absolutely know that that closing div belongs to the left column. So, and once I have my comments established, it's super easy for me to just copy and paste and then just change the content of my comment. So this is the closing right column. So you want to shoot for being able to do a lot of comments. You always also want to kind of break up your code. So remember, it doesn't matter how many times I hit enter. It's not going to have an impact on the display of my browser, but it's going to be nice for me to spread things out, because once I do, it is going to be much easier for me to be able to find things in my code. Okay, so that's a little bit about HTML comments, and I'm making these short videos because they're really large to download, as you know. So the next one I'll show you guys cascading style sheet comments, and then the last video of this sequence will be coding a quick little box model HTML document linked to CSS. Okay.